This grey sheet right here is not an average website. It's a widely known AI tool that is called ChatGPT or GPT-3. And if you're someone who's still living in 2022, you can call this tool a job eater. Because in November 2022, at the time when Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, launched ChatGPT for public use, people around the world believed it to be a job eater because this one tool has the potential to handle every business that you can ever imagine to be established in the online world. From creating quick chatbots to building software to even writing a letter to your high school crush, ChatGPT can do it all. Due to its amazing features and quick service, the online service providers assumed that ChatGPT was a threat to their jobs. But little did they know that artificial intelligence is not a human rival. And as Sam Altman has said in an interview, ChatGPT can eat up the blue-collar job, but can never take over the creative job. You already know it. ChatGPT is a tiny human-made product, and we humans have this insane ability to convert anything in our favor. Whether it's undertaking artificial intelligence for clerical work or getting rich with ChatGPT, we can do it all quickly and easily. And today, in this episode of Bag Big Dollars with AI, we'll talk about the top 10 ways ChatGPT can make you rich, all without spending a single dime. So, let's get started with our first big money venture. Number 1. You can bag money by creating calorie calculators. Almost 70% of the American population pays keen attention to their fitness and diet. In order to remain healthy, they always need calorie calculators to check their intake. If you take a look at the Google Play Store, these calculators have hundreds of millions of downloads, which means the people who have launched them are making some whopping dollars. What if I told you that you could make hundreds of thousands of dollars by launching these calorie calculators for free? All you have to do is hop onto ChatGPT and ask it to give you a code to create a calculator that can track calorie intake. Within a few minutes, it'll give you a brief code, which you can simply put into a no-code tool, and your calculator is good to go. You can use it for yourself, test it, and if it's working fine, you can market it by running Google and social media ads. Once it's got enough attention, you can launch it on the Play Store and wait for your big bucks. Number 2. You can launch Chrome extensions. Yes, you heard it right. You can build a full-fledged Chrome extension with the help of ChatGPT, and for that, you don't even need to learn programming. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write a code for you. For example, you need a Chrome extension that can read text. Now you'll simply ask ChatGPT, give me a step-by-step guide to create a Chrome extension that can read the text like a podcast. And within a few minutes, it'll give you the code for the extension. You can test your extension by navigating to a web page. If it's working fine, you can launch it on the Chrome App Store for people to use it. And for every installation of the extension, Google will pay you dollars. You can repeat a similar process for any extension you want to create and get rich. Number 3. You can provide copywriting services. If you have a knack for sales and writing, you should definitely use ChatGPT to craft marketing and sales copy that you can sell out to offer owners or businesses. All you need to have is strong writing skills, a slight know-how of copywriting, and an understanding of how AI-generated copy can be made effective. And the secret sauce to crafting dazzling sales copy with ChatGPT is knowing the exact prompts that can help ChatGPT to better understand your requirements and what kind of copy structure you want. For example, you've been asked to create a Facebook ad for wireless AirPods that cost $29.99. In order to generate an ad for this product, you will need to do a little research on the product and check out the ads of competitors and your target market. After that, you can give the chatbot this prompt: give me a Facebook ad for $29 wireless AirPods, and in the ad, call out the people of Florida. Within a minute, ChatGPT would bring you a killer Facebook ad that has all of the required copy elements, and you can easily sell this ad for $50 to $100. And to make more dollars from ChatGPT, you can create sales pages, emails, and product descriptions. Number 4. You can write and publish ebooks. In December 2022, this guy named Amar Reshi created a whole damn ebook with the use of ChatGPT and other AI tools. At that time, people on the internet were not really happy with this. But in 2023, everybody is creating ebooks with the help of ChatGPT, and after publishing them on Amazon Kindle, they are making loads of money. And here, we'll tell you how you can get rich with these ebooks. First of all, think of a topic that you want to write a book on. For example, you want to write a book on dog training. You would simply hop on ChatGPT and ask it to give you a title for your book. You can ask it, "Give me a title for a storybook." Then you would ask it for 10 more titles so you could choose which one you liked better. Then you would ask it to give you 10 chapters for the book. And then you would copy-paste each chapter into the chat bar and ask ChatGPT to give you a story based on that chapter. After doing this for all 10 chapters, you can proofread it or hire some professionals to proofread it. And then after using some AI graphics and pictures for it, you can publish it on Amazon Kindle. This way you can make big dollars with ChatGPT, just like Ma did. Number 5. YouTube automation. YouTube creators are always busy, and they never have enough time to connect with their audience. What if you could build a chatbot for them and that would reply to their video comments, do content research for them, and put together a content strategy for their channel? And in return, you'll get thousands of dollars. With ChatGPT, you can build a chatbot by simply typing, "Give me a code to automate YouTube comment replies." And within a minute, it'll give you a code that you can put into the no-code tool and then test your chatbot before selling it to YouTubers. By repeating the same steps, you can create so many other chatbots for you and your business. Number 6. Itinerary planner for travel. If you live near a tourist destination and want to supplement your income by assisting tourists, you can use ChatGPT to generate travel itinerary planners for them. All you have to do is simply give ChatGPT a prompt like this: "Help me plan a 5-day itinerary to Los Angeles and 2 days in Hawaii. I want to do Hollywood sightseeing in an open-top bus. I would also like to enjoy beach time." And it'll generate a travel itinerary planner that you can sell to tourists. You can add details to this prompt like dates and places you want your clients to visit. Number 7. Helping hand to content creators. Although Sam Altman has said that ChatGPT cannot replace creative jobs, it can help creators in a lot of ways. And if you're not a creator yourself, you can still make money through ChatGPT by helping other creators in so many ways. For example, you can generate social media post captions with ChatGPT and sell them to social media influencers. You can generate video scripts, do research for YouTube channels on the topics they should cover, and get new content ideas from ChatGPT. You can also craft LinkedIn posts with ChatGPT and sell them to LinkedIn creators and business owners that create content on LinkedIn. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to give you a post caption or LinkedIn post content on your required topic or niche. Number 8. You can provide content writing services. You already know it. The internet will never run out of content, and the demand for content will only rise with every passing day. Writing content on your own and then selling it to people on freelancing platforms is time-consuming. It forces you to compete with others and reduce the prices. In today's economy, nobody can compromise on money, so why don't we show you another brilliant way of making money with ChatGPT by providing content writing services? All you need to do is ask ChatGPT to give you a blog on whatever you are interested in. For example, you can ask it to generate a blog post on dog training. Then within this blog, you can ask it to elaborate on some parts, like what is positive reinforcement in dog training, and it'll explain it, and then you can incorporate this subpart into your main blog. Once you have your desired blog, you can post it on your own website, or you can make some more blogs for your clients in just minutes and make money through them. Number 9. Faceless YouTube channel. Another easy way you can make money with ChatGPT is by creating a faceless YouTube channel. Yes, you heard it right. A faceless YouTube channel, the channel you're watching right now, might be a product of ChatGPT. You can simply ask it to create a YouTube script on any topic. Then you can put that script into Script AI. It'll generate a voiceover for your video. Then you can also use AI tools to synchronize your voice with the stock images. And that's it. Now you have a faceless YouTube channel, and by posting consistently, you can monetize your channel. Number 10. Freelance services on Fiverr. With the huge trend of AI in the online business world, the best freelancing platform Fiverr has also introduced a whole new category for freelancers who can provide AI-related services. And if you dive deep into this category, you'd see a subcategory named ChatGPT applications, which means you can now offer ChatGPT services like creating chatbots with ChatGPT, integrating the ChatGPT API into Shopify, and other websites. People are already charging hundreds of dollars for these services. However, ChatGPT won't make you rich overnight. It'll take you some time to learn the art of exploring ChatGPT. With practice and the right intentions, you'll start making big money with ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. You'll like this video next.